All right, welcome to our session today. I want us to calculate the hire purchase. This is a grade 8 lesson, and if you are prepared, then we can do it together. All right, let us get started. Calculating the hire purchase. Question 1. Elena bought a TV set on hire purchase terms by paying a deposit of 4,000 shillings and 12 monthly equal installment of 2,000. How much did she pay for the TV? Elena bought a TV set on hire purchase terms by paying a deposit of 4,000 shillings and 12 monthly equal installment of 2,000. How much did she pay for the TV? So it's very simple. First of all, let us write the formula. Let us write the formula. And the formula is HP, that is hire purchase, equals to deposit plus monthly installment, the amount you pay per month. So here the deposit is paying a deposit of 4,000. So deposit here we write 4,000, and then we say plus the monthly installment. And the monthly installment here is we have been told is 12 months, and each month was paying 2,000. So we say 12 times 2,000. So are you there? Let's continue. So HP, that is hire purchase price, will be equal to the product of 12, the monthly installment, by 2,000. Then we add the 4,000, the deposit. So the hire purchase here will be 4,000 plus 12 times 2,000, which is 24,000. So the hire purchase price will be HP equals to the sum of 4,000 and the 24,000. So the total pay would be 28,000, and that is the answer. Simple. Let's go to question number 2. Hire purchase and marked price. Sometimes they give us the hire purchase, and then they tell us, or they give us the marked price and then the hire purchase. We have a question here. The hire purchase price of a cupboard was 25% more than the marked price. Juma bought it on hire purchase by paying a deposit of 8,000 plus 10 equal monthly installments of 2,400 shillings each. How much was the marked price of the cupboard? So we have said that the hire purchase price of a cupboard was 25,000 more than the marked price, more than the marked price. So if the marked price was 100, we shall say that all the time the marked price is always 100%. That is the cash price is always 100%. Therefore, if the hire purchase was more by 25%, it means that the hire purchase was 100% plus the 25%, because hire purchase was more than the cash price by 25. So if cash price is 100%, then the hire purchase will be 100 plus 25. So it will be 125%. Yeah. So our hire purchase here is 125%. Yeah. Now let us write the general formula for hire purchase. The general formula is HP equals to deposit plus M times I, that is monthly installment. And the deposit here is, we have been told is 4 is 8,000. So the deposit was 8,000. So you write 8,000 plus the month, the number of months we have been told is, look here, this is 10. So it is 10 equal monthly installments. Each month, 2,400. 2,400. So we multiply. So our hire purchase will be 8,000 plus 10 times 2,400. That is 2,400. So we multiply there. We first work out here. This is 10 times 2,400. That is 2,000 for that is 24,000. Yes. Then we say plus 8,000. So our hire purchase price was 8,000 plus 24,000, which is 32, which is that 2,000. That is the hire purchase. That is the hire purchase. Now, let's go back to the question. How much was the marked price? Here we are looking for marked price. So you have been told that hire purchase price is equal to that 2,000, and we calculated earlier that hire purchase price was 125%. So we can replace it with 125%. So you say 125% equals to that 2,000, equals to that 2,000. And therefore, 100%, which was the cash price. Can you remember the marked price? Yeah. 100% equals to what? So this one is calling for cross multiply. Let's cross multiply. So after cross multiplying, we find that it is 100 times that 2,000. 100 times that 2,000. And then we say over, this other one comes down. 125% comes down. So we simplify percent and percent. These ones disappear. Yeah, that is true. They disappear. Then we say by 25, this one can give me 5. By 25, this one can give me, this is 4. Then we can simplify further by 5, 1. And then we simplify the other one by 5, 6,400. Yeah, you can confirm, no problem. Then what do we do next? We say 4 times 6,400, and that is the marked price. So the marked price, which was 100%, would be the product of 4 and 6,400. That is 25,600. Yes. Let's go back to the question. How much was the marked price of the cupboard? So this is, you can see the choice there. Yeah, find the choice answer there. Yeah, we find it at C. So the correct answer was C. Nice. You get it? It's very simple. Let's go to question number 3. Question number 3. So question number 3, here we are going to calculate the deposit. Calculating the deposit. So question number 3, John bought a phone. There is these phones for Lipa Mdogo Mdogo, M-Kopa, among others. So John bought a phone paying a total of 30,000. Imagine, the phone maybe was for cash price of 15,000 or 20,000, but higher purchase, remember, it is always greater or higher than it is always higher than the cash price. So higher purchase is always higher. All right. Yeah. So John bought a phone paying a total of 30,000 shillings as the higher purchase price. He had deposited a certain amount and had to pay 80 shillings for 300 days. So each day, 80 bob. Each day, 80 shillings. Each day, 80 shillings. For all 300 days. Almost a whole year. Now, what was his deposit? What was his deposit? So what are we going to do? First of all, let us write the formula. So HP equals to deposit plus daily payment. That is the, instead of writing month here, now here we have days. So that 300 days. So 300 days, we shall say 80 shillings for 300 days. So daily payment. This is daily installs. So that is the HP we are given is 30,000, and then we don't know the deposit, but we know the days are 300 times the product of installment. The installment is 30 is 80 every day. So working out here, we can work out first of all to know the daily installs, what they would give us. The 300 days multiplied by 80 bob every day. So this is we work out here, and this one gives us 24,000. So you say the HP, which is 30,000, equals to deposit, which you don't know. We don't know the deposit, but we know the total daily installs gave 24,000. So we can just say deposit, our deposit will be equal to 30,000 minus 24,000. Yeah, so deposit equals to hire purchase minus the daily installs, or the total payment for the days. So you say 30,000 minus 24,000. So the correct answer should be 6,000. So that was his deposit. That is what he had deposited before being given the phone to go home with. All right. Are they hard? Nope. They are very simple. So we had been asked to find the deposit, and it is very simple, as we have seen. Now, let me give you an extended activity. An extended activity here is let me see the question. Yeah, question is here. Kamau bought a phone paying a total of 24,000 shillings on higher purchase price. He deposited an amount plus 300 days equal installment of 70 shillings. What was the deposit paid for the phone? This is the same question we have just done with you, and I've just changed here and there to make sure you get it. Now, Kamau bought a phone paying a total of 24,000 on higher purchase price. He deposited an amount plus 300 plus and 300 days equal installment of 70 shillings. What was the deposit paid? Now, comment with your answer, and let's meet in the next video for marking. Wow, thank you.